today is I'm gonna do unboxing with my order from Macy's. I got this yesterday, so I will just open this today because I didn't have time yesterday. Morning, Miss Stormy.
How you doing?
Very excited to use this. Maybe I will definitely try this later tonight before I go to bed. So meron siyang mga free sampler like Lancome. This is perfume. Yeah, Lancome. This is what I ordered from Macy's. Yes. So guys, this is what I ordered. Pitera Power Kit is K2 Fantasia Ultima Limited Edition design. This is what it looks like, and so guys, this is what it looks like inside. Yes, it's just too small. Like this facial treatment cleanser is only 17 ml, 0.5 ounce. So this one, so yeah, just is so small. This one is 15 ml. So yeah. Moisturizing cream, course, this one. SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I think this is the most important. So guys, this is what I got. Cold.
It is a little cold, but it's sunny and it's gonna get warm. Don't touch my face! Got your Rona virus.
So we are here in downtown Cincinnati. Whoa, this is a perfect parking. No people around, guys, because it's Sunday. Sunday is Sunday. So guys, my husband been trying to change the time.
It's changed. Just had to do two things at once. Go.
So guys, it's changed already because this is the first what is that called, Tom?
Daylight savings time.
Daylight savings time. So the time got
pushed up an hour
back
forward. Forward, yeah.
So our time is moved forward
by 1 hour.
By 1 hour.
So instead of 9:15, it is 10:15.
And we have same time in the Philippines,
yeah.
But of course it's nighttime over there, and we have daytime over here. What is this?
It's for a flashlight, but I don't have a flashlight there.
No cars coming. Check. This is dangerous in here, guys. Alright. Where am I going?
But you left me. But you ran away and found somebody else to marry.
What?
What?
Was waiting for me.
What?
Yeah, guys, we just got off from the church. Is there? So guys, yeah, now we are going to, after church, we are going to TJ Maxx. We are just gonna look around.
He's gonna look around for 2 hours.
No.
No.
About 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes to you is an hour and a half.
So guys, we are here in TJ Maxx. You're gonna buy bags? You're here with me.
Thought you were looking for a special purse. You still looking? What's up?
What's up?
Isn't that
What's
cute?
that?
That's you.
Ew, where are
Oh, are you trying to break
Oh
stuff?
my
or what?
gosh. That's ice. Ew, that's scary.
Let's see, here's...
Where are we? Oh, we're here,
China
Philippines.
here. Oh,
China.
I don't have anything for you. No animals.
Yeah, where's Korea?
Right up here.
Oh, the...
Japan, Korea, North Korea, Australia,
China.
China, here, Mongolia, China, that's all China. Thailand, okay.
There's no animals in the Philippines?
No, nothing.
No. Guys, we're done in TJ. It's getting warmer, but still cold. Yeah, today is not really crowded. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, I got something. So guys, yeah, we just got home. Lights. And so guys, this is what I got from TJ Maxx. Gustong-gusto ko siya guys. Kasi parang, gustong-gusto ko na yung mga, parang yung tipong square pants. Ito lang. And then, marami pa akong gagawin ngayon guys. Magbabacuum ako and then, meron pa akong hugasan. And then, after that, I will take a nap and cook for dinner. Ganyan yung afternoon namin.
See the little vacuum cleaning. She's plugging in the vacuum cleaner. Here she comes. Huh?
Mute, mister.
What's that?
Mute.
Alright, muted. Couldn't hear it anyway once that vacuum cleaner's going. Here she comes with the vacuum cleaner. Ew. She's pretty good with it.